Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
How a diabetes management app can help bring blood glucose levels under control. Klinio has released a study conducted by the Validation Institute that found people with type 2 diabetes who use the Klinio app at least 19 times over an 85-day period significantly reduce their blood glucose levels. Klinio Head of Medical Affairs, Dr. Kasparas Aleknavicius, says the app provides health coaches, recipes, diet, and fitness information, and tasks that are customizable.
You can use an app every day, you can use it every third day, you can use it every week. It is designed to be used in various loops.
Klinio is subscription-based. Find more information at klinio.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.